rain started coming down the moment I drove out of town. And in the rearview mirror, the lights on the horizon disappear. I was heading for nowhere. Blacktop and these white lines gonna be my friends for a little while. They'll take me away from there to a place where no one cares, where I've been. And so let it just for tonight, wash away this pain I feel inside. Let it rain, 'cause tonight I ain't home to make things right. I drove away, so let it rain, let it ain't no reason why that'll make my leaving justified. I couldn't face the truth. For me, that was just too hard to do. And so I left. And so let it rain just for tonight, so you can't see